Cruise lines compete over everything. The biggest ship, the best entertainment, the coolest attractions. But today we're going to talk about something very important. The pizza.
Because if you have ever been on a cruise, you know that late night cruise pizza after a show, after the casino, after exploring the ship all day, after being in port all day, it just hits differently.
Today we're putting the two cruise favorites head to head. Royal Caribbean Sorrento's Pizza versus Carnival Pizza Pirate.
We're going to compare the crust, the sauce, the cheese, the toppings, the atmosphere, and the most important question, which pizza would we go back for?
And make sure you stick around because we might not agree on who the winner is.
Round 1, first impressions. Let's start with Royal Caribbean Sorrento's Pizza. For anyone who has not sailed Royal Caribbean before, Sorrento's is usually one of those places you find pretty quickly on the ship.
It's included with the cost of your fare. It's casual, and depending on what ship you're on, it's usually located right in a popular area, and there's no going around it.
On ships like the Mariner of the Seas and other Royal Caribbean ships, we love that you can just stop in, grab a slice, and keep on going.
Now, Carnival Pizza has the Pizza Pirate, and it's a little different feel. Carnival is known for casual food options, and the Pizza Pirate is definitely one of those spots people will find during the cruise.
Especially late at night. After comedy shows, after music, after being out around the ship, you will always find people grabbing pizza.
Round 2, the crust. First category, the foundation of every pizza is the crust.
Sorrento's crust is more of your classic quick service pizza style. It's not trying to be a fancy Italian restaurant. It's cruise pizza.
Yeah, it's pretty good though. So, honestly, sometimes that's exactly what you're looking for. A hot slice of pizza while you're walking around the cruise ship.
Pizza Pirate's crust feels a little different.
Some people are all about the toppings.
Round 3, sauce and cheese. Next up is sauce and cheese. Because bad sauce can ruin a pizza.
Now with Sorrento's, we thought the cheese and the sauce at Sorrento's has that real Italian feel. It's nice and cheesy. It's a good topping on the pizza.
I thought Pizza Pirate, the cheese and the sauce, was spot on.
So at Pizza Pirate, it really felt like a good pizza that you got from an old pizza joint back home.
Yeah.
Okay, so Pizza Pirate is feeling pretty good.
Yeah.
And some people might be going, oh, no, Sorrento's is my favorite. Well, maybe Sorrento's is your favorite. Sorrento's is kind of my favorite because they've got the coffee shop right there beside it.
But we're not doing that.
I know, it's the pizza only. So Pizza Pirate stands out as more like a pizza from a pizza joint back home. But they did have that one day, I've got to admit, and I think we're showing a picture right here. One day it was kind of there was a bad day on Pizza Pirate.
It was a bad day on Carnival with Pizza Pirate. But they corrected it.
The chef did go back, and he actually personally talked to us, and he came out with a well-leoparded pizza with crispy crust.
Stood up.
Right.
And
it can stand on its own.
Yeah, and didn't flop.
And that's what a lot of people are looking for, a slice of pizza that will stand on its own.
Right.
So, but I can tell you this. One thing about Sorrento's that I like, and so there's no getting around this. Sorrento's pizza is in the right place for when you get off your excursion.
Yes.
You can come get a piece of pizza right away. Get a pizza, Diet Coke, or a glass of iced tea. Sorrento's is usually located right in the promenade. Pizza Pirate is upstairs on the Lido deck.
Yes.
So after an excursion on Royal Caribbean, you get back on the ship, right to Sorrento's, and you've got a nice little snack so you don't have to think about getting something to eat after your excursion.
Right.
That's what I think.
Okay, moving on.
Okay. Round 4, options and convenience.
One thing we really appreciate about cruise pizza is the convenience, as Rob said. Sometimes you don't want a full meal.
Right, you just got back from an excursion and you might skip dinner and you can walk back to your cabin and the pizza is just there by magic.
Right. Funny how that happens. Round 5, the cruise experience.
This is where it gets interesting because cruise food isn't just about the food, it's about the memory.
Exactly. A slice of pizza at home is just pizza, but eating pizza while you're sailing in the middle of the ocean, that's different.
Sometimes the experience makes it taste even better.
Right. Okay, so our final scores.
I have a feeling I know where this is going.
Okay. Time to pick a winner. Royal Caribbean Sorrento's or Carnival Pizza Pirate.
Okay, so for the crust, my winner is Pizza Pirate except for that one day.
Okay, right?
Pizza Pirate has a better crust.
Okay. For flavor, my winner is Pizza Pirate because it was very flavorful and had some, of that
That's
cheesy
Italian.
Parmesan goodness.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for overall cruise experience, I'm going with Sorrento's because of location.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I agree.
It's on the promenade, and it's right there where you can get it conveniently. Mm-hmm. So
yeah. Okay, my final winner is Pizza Pirate.
Pizza Pirate. Okay, so that's going to be the next thing we need from you is a comment below. Tell us what your favorite pizza is, Pizza Pirate or Sorrento's.
Mm-hmm. Which team are you on? Or is there another cruise line pizza you need to try? We need to try.
We've heard about it.
Yeah, we've heard
MSC.
MSC and Princess has good pizza.
Supposed to be a good pie, so let us know in the comments. We might have to book a cruise on MSC just to try the pizza.
Right. If you enjoyed this cruise food battle, hit that like button.
Subscribe and join us every week. We share cruise tips, cruise reviews, and adventures at sea. And remember, adventure has no age limit.